There's my girl. She's helping with Bible study this morning. She seen I had the Bible out, and she stopping by to give me a little help here. Let's see if we can get her to say anything. Sometimes she'll meow. Would you like to say hi to everybody? No? Okay. She's got nothing to say. She's a good one. A little scratching. Okay? All good? Are we good? This here is Shuggy Bear. That's what we call her. She's a good one. But she'll bite a little bit now. You rub that tummy of hers and she'll get you. But she loves the Bible, as you can see. This is what she does when she sees me with the Bible out. Okay.